Hey, good morning, guys. All right, so I'm on Finviz. I know a lot of you guys have already heard of this particular research platform. All right, so what you want to do is we want to go to a screener. All right, and of course, when you go to screener, I'm not sure what will be set when you see the screen, but what we want to do is we want to go over here to Signal, and we want to do the drop down, and we're going to go over to we're going to focus on double tops and double bottoms. So let's do double tops for today. Okay, so these are all the assets, 76 total that's shown up, and these are all double tops. Now, here's the trick. A lot of these double tops may be old. It may have been maybe a day or two ago. So you really have to go through and you have to see whether or not which ones are current. So let's do CMPX. Oh, you can also click on it as well too. And you see over here too. Let's see if I get over here. I don't know if this yeah, it's not gonna let me scoot over. But look, we got a double top right here. And this is based off the daily. So right here, daily. All right, so you got top one. And I don't know if it's showing me the date on here. Yeah, okay. So this was from December 27th, and this was on January 11th. All right, that the double top occurred. All right, so we don't even have to go to our regular, you know, trading view. You can stay over there, but I still like to come over to trading view so I can be able to see what's happening. All right, now I'm on a 15-minute chart. Of course, I come over here, I can look, and I really don't see anything that I could potentially trade for the most part. Um, so I move on to the next one. Right, let's go back. And this takes time, but it's okay. At least you already know that 76 have been screens. All right, so TR. And of course, it's probably be good for me to go on a higher time frame. And you'll see that some of these have already played out because, see, they will consider this as a double top um, on some metrics. It's not the best, but it's still there. Let's go on a daily. And see on a daily, the double top did come up. Now, this still is valid. Why? Because we only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days from the making, which we can start to draw off our zones, and we could play this. Okay, maybe we're looking for something to break close below here to take this to the downside. And remember, for me, my higher percentage of win rate is because I only take it to the neckline and not all the way down to the target. If I do take it to the target, it's going to be a long swing trade, and I'm going to reduce my position size. Now, this is all stocks, so it's a little different. So if you're shorting using puts, option contracts, of course, you want to make sure you're buying enough time. You make sure that you're not getting ate up um, with your deltas or whatnot. So I don't really trade options that much, so I'm not in depth on that. But if you guys do, you know what you need to do. So for me, this will go really on the watch list, and I will mark off levels that, hey, since it has violated these levels, I will look to take this particular trade, and I may play with this one today or later next week. Monday market will be closed. Okay, so we have what crossed the 23% on the retracement level, and we came back above. So we have a higher probability that this will come down to the 61% retracement level. So I like what this is showing me. So this is a zone where I would love to take this particular trade. All right, so this is pretty good. All right, this is not financial advice. All right, but yep. All right, let's look at maybe one more. All right, Jill. Let's see. And I haven't seen on here. All right, this is a good one. So we already have a double top on this one. It's played out. Now, see, imagine if we would have did these screeners a few days ago. What day was this? All right, so this is Monday, January 9th. So imagine if we would have did the screen on Monday or even on Tuesday. You see, we would have been a good 3 days in a downtrend, which would have been good. and we can take the trade back to this level. Now, once again, if you want to take it to the target, you can. I'm not a swing trader. All right. I don't like trading, swing trading, because I am an investor. So as I invest, I hold long term. I don't want to hold long term for trading. So swing trading, I used to be a swing trader, and I felt like it was just too much time waiting for my targets to be hit. I want my money now. Okay, so that's my mentality. And even me waiting for a couple of days for it to get down here, that still is a little stretch. So a lot of times I will take profit along the way and re-enter in, with a different position. So for me, let's say I would have saw this on Tuesday, I would have took the short. All right, uh, been up whatever percentage points if I'm doing some options. I may say, you know what, it's Friday. Um, we're back here at a key level. I'm gonna go ahead and just secure. And come Tuesday, since we're going on a holiday weekend, I'm gonna look to see what price does, and then I will look to get back short to finish it out. So that's just me. That's just my trading style. Everybody is different, so stick to what you do. But yo, let's just make a lot of these things very easy. What we do, guys. It doesn't have to be difficult, but use this stock screener, right? You can also go on TD Ameritrade and you can use theirs. I don't know if they don't have a double bottom, double top, but they do like have like the Bollinger Band. Like if you're outside, the Bollinger Bands at the bottom or the top, and those are really helpful as well too. All right, so play around with it. Finviz, like I said, go to screener, and you can look at these signals, and you can go in and you can oversold. Matter of fact, let's just do oversold, even though I don't trade it. But these are the ones that are oversold, so to speak. And GETR. And like I said, I don't trade oversold or overbought. GETR. Right. So you see that gap down? That's a huge gap down on a daily. So this is huge. So this could be a situation where you got out somewhere for bottom, and during this bottom, you may want to try to trade to cover this gap. So this could be worth a shot for someone. And of course, you want to keep your stop loss real tight down in this area. But hey, it could be. All right. So this is your boy E White. I'm out. Hit the like button, subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend.